It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Brian Corcoran. Today's question is a bit of a mouthful, so let's get right into it. Matt in Kingston writes in, I was recently in an accident that was settled through insurance, but I'm having tremendous anxiety every time I am in a car. Is there anything else I can do? I cannot drive on my own anymore.
Well, Matt, the key word that you used in your questions is you settled it. So in terms of legally, there's nothing you could do. You settled your case, you probably signed a release, so the legal case is over with. From a practical point of view, I represent a lot of folks who are in automobile collisions, and they are afraid to drive. And what I would do is, go to a therapist. I've seen them help people out after a couple sessions, and eventually, people get back on their feet and they're able to do what they have to do in terms of getting around. But that's not unusual at all to be afraid of getting in a car. I've seen that a lot of times because it's a very traumatic experience. What do you think, Greg?
Oh, no, I agree. We've had that. People come in and a lot of people say exactly what this gentleman is saying, that because it's a traumatic event, they were injured and they have a hard time processing it, and they're scared to get behind the wheel. And for whatever reason, you settled your case, and so at that moment in time, that case against the person who hit you is over. And unfortunately, just like other people who walk with a limp or they have other problems with their back or neck, this is just another injury that'll linger. And it's something you got, like Brian said, you have to continue to try to work through that, work with the doctors, therapists, whatever you can do to try to get over this, because it's just like anything else. It happens. We see it. It's legit.
Well, Matt, we hope that helps you a little bit. Remember, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli, and if you want your questions answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.